My name's Jamie Williams. I'm part of Cymmer Community Garden. 2 years ago, I remember myself and Dean Morgan and my father, we all had a chat, and this land was going to waste. So Dean came up with a great idea about turning this into a community garden for somewhere people could sit, relax, picnics, enjoy, pick up veg and fruit, especially flowers. And we kind of battled through the 6 years of COVID, and we got the keys 2 years ago, and we started planting. We've started taking up the old foundations, as you want to say, to rebuild a new community garden for public. And it's been going ever since. It's just one project after another year. So it's the local community benefits officer. Walters got in touch with us after Jeff and Cam and Todd had a chat. They came up, I think they spent 2 days here. They spent 2 days just surveying the area, marking everything out, having a chat to myself, my father, and Dean Morgan and Ken to see what we wanted as a community garden. I think they came up 4 days later and they started bringing up everything that was needed, materials, help, and then they started work from Monday to Friday. They started their work. By the Friday, the job was finished. They'd already laid foundations. They were landed up doing the tarmacking all in 1 week, and they even helped us out with the road that leads around, because our road was not up to health and safety standards. So they helped us to get that more accessible into the site that we have. We would really like to thank the local benefits community officer, Cam and Todd. We'd like to thank Jeff Jones as well for helping us get. We would like to thank Jeff Jones for getting us in with the relevant people and the right contacts for all this. And especially Walters, we'd like to thank Walters, because without Walters, we wouldn't have got this far without them. We wouldn't have updated our safety without them, and we definitely would not got this far in our project without them.